Okay, welcome back to my channel. So we have a 2011 Hyundai Tucson, and if you have a problem with your knock sensor, guys, and the engine, in this case the engine is knocking already and the customer don't want to replace the engine, so I'm gonna show you an easy fix, guys, because if your sensor is reading the engine knocking and it's not too bad, you can do this and save yourself a lot of money. So I already take out the intake, set it aside, and then there's a knock sensor right here. So I'm gonna just put the knock sensor in the casing. I bore a little hole in it, case it in so you can't detect any knocking. I'm gonna tape it together, and then I'm gonna stuck it back somewhere that it can't make the sound. So that's if your knock sensor is bad, guys. And this, if his engine is bad and have a little knocking, save you some money so you don't have to replace the engine right away. This is the best solution for you guys. And I know some guys will be angry with this, but this is the best bet to save your customer some money and save you some time. Alright guys, you tape it up nicely and make sure it can't knock in, and then you push it back somewhere underneath, and then you knock in and your code gone, so it won't go in a limp mode. Alright guys, if this helped you out, who don't want to change the engine right away and they can work with this, please subscribe. Who can't work with this, replace your engine or replace your computer. It's your choice. Alright guys, I'm out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, this is the follow-up with this engine. It's 2.4 Hyundai. As I say, guys, if your engine have a knocking and this one is knocking, so the sensor is bringing on the knocking and put it in limp mode, but the engine could run a little bit more. If you don't want to replace the engine, guys, take out the knock sensor from the engine and put it, conceal it like how I did here, guys. I put it into some foam so it won't detect the knocking and your light won't come on, guys. And this is only for who don't want to change your engine if the engine is still working properly but they get a little knocking. This could save you a lot of time and money till you could get an engine. Alright guys, so if you like this one, guys, this is just for the people who have the little knocking and they don't want it to go in the limp mode. Take out the sensor, put it in a foam and put it aside so you won't get any knocking, guys. And this will help you out drive your car as normal as possible until you could buy an engine, or till maybe it get worse. It could be lasting 2 years, 3 years or 4 years, and by the time you're ready, you probably get rid of the car. So guys, if this helped you in any way, and this code is a knock sensor code, I think it's a P32 something 26, but guys, I will leave it in the description. I'll put it in the heading, and if this can help you in any way, this is the Hyundai Tucson 2011 and goes to any Hyundai with a 2.4. This could help you a lot, save you some money, and you won't get this code again. You just take the sensor, because the sensor is working, the engine have a little knocking. This is for you guys. Alright guys, catch you in the next one, and please consider subscribing and click the like button. Thank you. No, just here. Okay guys, this is a follow-up again because I'm in the vehicle now, and as you can see, no lights, but it's giving a knocking a little bit, and I'm going to drive the vehicle. Guys, remember to drive safe, get somebody else to help you do this. Do this at your own risk, guys. So you see, the code's not coming back because the sensor has nothing to read. But you know your engine is giving a little knocking. This will save you a lot of time, and this will save you a lot of money. You could drive your vehicle normal until you're ready, until it gets worse. You don't have to change your engine off the bat, guys, because that is an expensive fix to change your engine. So this fix might cost you and the mechanic $200-300, but then, as I say, you will have your vehicle driving for 2, 3, 4 years, whatever, and still no problem. And this will save you some money there, because if you spend $3,000-4,000 now to do your engine, possible you might come back up with the same problem, guys. So if you like this one, guys, thank you for watching. And this one is a P knock sensor code, knock sensor issue. As you can see, I'm gonna press it out, guys. So the engine, the sensor can't read, I'm pressing it, and there you go, guys. 80s to 60 and nothing. Thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing. Very, very nice. And I'm out.